wanting to make sure my mother's safe.
Your mother's. I cannot see a thing. Ridiculous. I can't see
the wipers.
Oh my God.
Wind picked him up on the street, slammed into the car.
Man hits car, there's your story. Let's be thorough on this, Alex, okay?
Gotta be hard to tell which got him first, the hurricane or the car.
Yes, it's our job to sort that out, isn't it?
After a Category 2 hurricane. Good luck.
Thank you, Alex. We're gonna need it.
Дичерва. Една од најгледаните ТВ серии во Америка и светот. Синоним за криминалистичка серија. Нова епизода истрага на местото на злосторството, Мајами. 22 часот и 15 минути.